The Beatbox is the first DIY cardboard MIDI controller kit that includes built-in speakers, batteries, and a bundled mobile app, creating the ultimate beginner's production studio. With this kit, you will learn to create beats in no time. All you have to do is build, learn, and play.
Hey, my name is Ethan Jin, founder of Rhythmo and creator of the Beatbox. The Beatbox was part of my grad school project back in Babson College, and through our marketing research and product testing, we really thought that the world needed this product, so here we are. The Beatbox can be assembled in as little as an hour. All you have to do is attach the provided parts to the packaging box. We try to make assembly as simple as possible by making all the connections screw-on or quick connect, so no soldering is required. Once you've finished assembling the Beatbox, all that is left for you to do is hook it up to the app and you're ready to start playing. And let's see what you can do with the Beatbox.
Music production is complicated. Not only are there many different kinds of equipment, but there are also tons of programs you can use. Many beginners find that choosing the wrong software or equipment exhausts not only their financial resources, but also their time. It's almost like they don't want you to learn. Since digital music production can come with a hefty price tag, and the market is so big, it can be overwhelming for the average enthusiast to decide what to buy. We don't think you should have to break the bank or do months of research on what gear to buy or what software to use just to start making beats. That's why we have bundled the hardware and software needed to start your music production in one package. The Beatbox comes with a built-in sound card and speakers. The mobile app takes care of the actual sound processing. We are developing the app for all major mobile devices, both iOS and Android. Using the app, you can upload or record your own samples, customize your layout, record and loop your beats, and adjust audio levels. We are also working on sample editor, sequencer, and mixer functionalities. We plan to continue improving the app even after the product launches to give consumers more sophisticated music production functionalities. Furthermore, the Beatbox functions as a MIDI controller and audio interface combo when connected to third-party DAWs. It's fully functional with most major DAWs on the market, and you can switch around the built-in MIDI settings to fit your workflow with your preferred DAW. Despite its beginner-friendly purpose, professionals love Beatbox because of its responsive arcade buttons, funky cardboard aesthetics, and ability to play music on the go. Since producers are often locked in their bedrooms, it's difficult for them to share their music with the world live. With a portable Beatbox, people can share their beats anywhere, anytime. Flex on all your friends, have a beat battle, do your thing.
From October to December, we'll be finalizing our design. From January, we'll undergo production and fulfillment and ship the boxes out in March. We're launching the Beatbox after a year of ideation and prototyping, and we truly think this is a product that can bring many benefits to the world. The product closes the gap between music enthusiasts and the professional production world, gives bedroom production the social aspect it never had, and acts as a powerful educational tool. We want to enable people to express their sounds. By creating an easily accessible product and a strong community, we believe we can spread the joy of beat making to the world. We chose Kickstarter for our job because we think that is the perfect platform to reach out to an innovative audience. We think that by gaining support from the Kickstarter community and inputs in such an early stage will help the Beatbox go a long way and help us to improve our product even further. So back the Beatbox today on Kickstarter, and you'll be one of the first people with the power to create music anywhere, anytime.